Jonathan Carlson live in Flint. The mayor of Flint meeting with President Obama at 5:30 this afternoon as the federal government makes a big commitment to this city. The White House appointing Health and Human Services staffer Nicole Lurie to lead the federal response in Flint. This as President Obama planned a meeting with Flint's mayor. She spoke with the 7 investigators by phone.
I think he needs to hear firsthand what's going on in Flint.
The White House says the president won't visit Flint while in Detroit tomorrow. Meanwhile, in Flint, we were there as class action lawsuits were filed. Lawyers are asking, among other things, for an injunction to prevent water shutoff notices for non-payers and for the courts to declare future water bills invalid. The goal is also to force disclosures from the governor and his staff.
Everybody is in the same position. They have all been victimized by these unconstitutional actions of these public officials. And we seek damages on behalf of a class of people, which means everybody will get a chance to have their damages evaluated.
Troy Kidd showed up to the announcement. His mother, Deborah, died last summer at 58 of Legionnaire's disease. He now wonders, was the water to blame?
I asked her what was wrong. She said she didn't feel good. 2 days later, Monday, she had a fever of 104. We went back to her family doctor. He said she's better get over to the hospital right now. So we rushed over there. She fought that whole entire week. I lost her that next Sunday.
When he learned of the possible connection between the disease outbreak here and the water?
Yes, it's very frustrating to know that maybe it could have been avoided.
A few steps away, we met Melissa Mays, one of the plaintiffs, and a Flint mother who fears she and her young sons are victims.
I've got seizures, I've got tremors that I can't explain, so I have a neurologist, rheumatologist, gastroenterologist, environmental physician, as well as my regular doctor. All 3 of my sons are suffering the side effects of heavy metals poisoning. I'm frustrated because they lied to us. That as a mother, I should have been able to protect my children. I never knowingly would have handed poison to my kid.
Back out here live in Flint to just drive home the frustration of people around here. A resident actually came up to me and handed me his corroded water filter. This was inside his house for the last 2 years. He handed this in here as he's getting new filters and getting bottled water. And I want to show you live right now the line of cars that we have here lining up that continue to need water from the National Guard here at the fire headquarters in Flint. So again, live pictures showing you that the need here in Flint is still great. We're live in Flint. I'm Jonathan Carlson, 7 Action News. Let's send it over to Stephen Clark.